What's up, guys? I want to open up 2 booster packs for you guys before killing a fucking Monday, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, subscribe and hit that notification button, and you already know, stay tuned for more. The M Fam is on its way for more content, and looking forward to showing you guys how much we love you. So let's get to it. We're gonna open up Fusion Strike booster packs. We got 2 of them. I'll be opening the one with the Mew on it. That's what we can get, so we can pull off of these. They are hard to open at times. There you go. I got it. So we can grab. Cold card. You guys want it? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. First card, Fire Energy. Second card, let's not do that. Swaloon. Hate doing this stuff, guys. And the car. Grab Cramomatic. Third card, Skaters Park. Fourth card, Snoom. Fifth card, Onyx. Sixth card, Jigglypuff, or is it 7? What's this one? Durant, Kevin Durant. She came to play. About time. See, we got a nice shiny in the bag. Panseer. This card's like a stick. Don't know why, guys. Reverse Hollow Cufant. Nice. And let's see for you guys. What is that? No. Oh, Melota. Thought we had a shiny here. I saw black shiny. Because I was wrong. One more for you guys. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do Psychic Energy. Lightning Energy. First card, Helosic. Looks like a sunflower. Second card, Dunsparce. Cramomatic, same thing as before. Mankey. Spider Monkey. Clauncher. Growlithe. Stifle. Sigilyph. Galarian Dramaka. Little Snowball. And a Krovic Knight. That's it. That's it. And another lightning energy. Alright guys, deuces. Stay tuned. Cards are slippery. Wouldn't pull nothing, but next time we will. Promise you guys that.